How to disable Snapchat calls. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can disable Snapchat calls, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't like getting called on Snapchat, it is actually very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch Snapchat. Now it just depends whether it is one single person trying to call you every time or whether it is a whole load of person. So if it is a single person, you can just go to manage friendship. You can choose to remove them as a friend, or you can just block them if it's quite bothering for you. But let's say that it is not only for a single person, but it applies to the whole Snapchat people. You just don't want to receive calls. Now there is no way that Snapchat will let you not call them, but there are a couple of things that you can do yourself. For this, all you have to do is just go ahead and long press the Snapchat app icon over here. Then tap the I button to come to app info page. Then just go to permissions, and here you can see the microphone option. Just set this to don't allow. This way Snapchat will not be able to use your microphone, so even if someone calls you, you will not be able to send them anything, or they will not be able to hear anything from you. Now the other thing you can do is, instead of turning off access for camera and microphone because you need them while you're taking a snap, what we're going to do is we're going to go to notifications, and here you can see all these sorts of notifications. All you have to do is just turn off notifications. This way, even if someone calls you, you will not receive a notification from Snapchat. So they'll keep calling, you just keep ignoring. That's the bottom line. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.